Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MAX and MIN functions in Excel. Let's dive right in. The MAX function helps you quickly identify the highest value within a given range of numbers, while the MIN function does the opposite, pinpointing the lowest value. These powerful tools are fundamental for anyone working with data, allowing for efficient analysis and decision-making. Understanding their basic application will significantly boost your spreadsheet proficiency, saving you valuable time and effort in your daily tasks. Let's explore the MAX function. To use it, simply type an equals sign, followed by MAX, and then open parentheses. You can either select a range of cells, like a 1 to a 100, or list individual numbers separated by commas. For instance, if you have a list of sales figures, MAX can instantly show you the highest sale recorded. This is incredibly useful for identifying peak performance or the largest data point in any given set, providing immediate insights into your data. Now, let's turn our attention to the MIN function, which works very similarly to MAX but for the smallest value. Begin by typing an equals sign, then MIN, and open parentheses. Just like with MAX, you can specify a range of cells, such as B1 to B50, or input a series of distinct numbers. This function is perfect for identifying the lowest score, the minimum temperature, or the smallest transaction in a dataset, offering crucial insights into the lower bounds of your numerical information. For more advanced usage, remember that both MAX and MIN functions automatically disregard text and blank cells, focusing solely on numerical data. You can also combine them with other functions like IF to perform conditional analysis. For example, finding the maximum value only for items belonging to a specific category. When using such array formulas, always remember to press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter to correctly apply them. Mastering these functions will significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities, making your spreadsheets far more dynamic and insightful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.